Why Carnival will survive and come out stronger than ever from the recent crisis. If you are interested, keep watching. Welcome everybody. Let's talk about Carnival. Carnival balance sheet looks terrible. They are in a lot of debt, $12.94 billion as of the February, and they have no income at all right now. Everyone who is interested in cruising stocks knows that Carnival is like U.S.S. Ohio, swimming under the water, and there is no clear date when it will surface again. Carnival was caught in the middle of all the recent disaster caused by the virus. And it all started on Carnival's Grand Princess and Diamond Princess ships in January and February 2020. Right now, Carnival is being sued by passengers. Terrible situation which will cost Carnival additional millions of dollars down the road. But right now I want to point out that there is a light in the tunnel for Carnival. I would like to talk about what kind of services Carnival is providing for its customers from a different perspective. And I would like to tell you why Carnival drew my attention to the point that I decided to buy some shares. Of course, Carnival sells cruise travels, and everybody knows about that. But if you analyze deeper what Carnival is really selling, you will realize that they are in the business of selling dreams and unforgettable memories. Who doesn't want to be on beautiful island with crystal clear water and palm trees and white sand? Who doesn't want to live in luxurious apartment with a beautiful ocean view? Who doesn't want to eat in upscale restaurant and have a room service 24/7? Carnival is selling all of this. They are selling what a lot of people wish to experience at least once in a lifetime. That's why you see more and more TV commercials in recent years in which people are dancing, having fun, and in the end you find out that this is commercial about laundry detergent. Companies figure out that selling dreams and memories works much better than anything else, especially if your product is a laundry detergent. Carnival doesn't have to do this because they genuinely sell dreams and lifetime memories. Some people go on the cruises for years. They love going on the cruise ships. Carnival is the biggest victim of the recent events. But don't cross out Carnival yet, because in the past they survived ships capsizing, fires, sewage outbreaks on the ships, stomach viruses, and more. They have been in many downfalls already, and they survived. They have been submerged, and they came out of depth already many times. They have a lot of experience of submerging under the water and then resurfacing. The most important thing for the Carnival right now is how many people are still willing to buy Carnival Dreams of Wonderland. And on another side, how many people will permanently drop the idea of making their dream memories through Carnival. This is the biggest factor for the company right now. Not the amount of debt, not the terrible balance sheet, not the lawsuits, no. The most important issue right now for the Carnival is how many customers will come back when the Carnival reopens. Personally, I'm optimistic and I see the bright future for Carnival because we came back to flying on airplanes after horrific events of 9/11. And we came back to cruising on the ships after the terrible disaster of Costa Concordia, capsizing and killing passengers. That's why when the recent disaster caused by the virus struck Carnival and brought their stock to its knees, I started buying their shares. I started buying shares on March 17. I bought 10 shares for $12.54, and at the same day I bought 50 shares for $12.60. Then on March 18 I bought 50 shares for $9.12. That is a trophy because that's the lowest price which I got for Carnival's shares. And then on April 16, I bought 100 shares for $11.78. And then on May 5th, I bought 221 shares for $13.83. And then May 7, I bought 113 shares for $13.40. And then May 19, I bought 35 shares for $14.31. And then last buy I did on May 20th, I bought 106 shares for $14.03. Total amount which I invested in Carnival shares is $8,946.44. As of right now, which is June 27th, the shares are worth $10,809.30. So it is increase of 20% over past 3 months. So when the price hit $14 on May 20th, I decided that the price is getting too high and I stopped buying. I needed to have a comfort in my mind in case we have a sell-off in the market like right now on June 26, when market suddenly dropped 2.7%. I don't want to go under the water with my Carnival holdings. It is not a good feeling being on the red territory with any stocks. My plan is to hold Carnival shares until 2035 because it will be my retirement money. When I was buying shares of the Carnival, I was trying to time the market in order to buy the lowest possible price. I know that market timing never really works, but in those extraordinary times, I intentionally try to get the best possible price per share, so the stock market will work for me in the future. I love getting bottom line prices for stocks. It feels so good later on when you see after years that thanks to one contrarian decision in the past, right now and in the future you can benefit greatly. Of course, there is a risk of Carnival going bankrupt and I can lose all of my money. But I am optimistic and I believe that there will be a big percentage of people who would like to come back to cruising And when the time goes on, there will be new customers coming back to the Carnival. So right now, what is your opinion about Carnival? Will it survive the recent shocking and awing events? Or will it become submerged forever like it is currently, and it will sink permanently to the bottom of the ocean? Am I going to cry that I lost all of my money which I invested into the Carnival? Or am I going to dance like the people on their Carnival cruise ship? Drop me a comment on what you think will happen to Carnival. My next video will be about buying shares of the healthcare fund. And you may ask, why healthcare fund? Because unfortunately we are getting sicker and sicker, and the cost of healthcare will increase dramatically in the future. My healthcare fund gave me 161% appreciation over past 10 years, because I bought this 10 years ago, and gave me the steady stream of dividends and capital gains. For 2019, I got $9,871.50 capital gains and dividends. This is not a very impressive result, but for someone like me who doesn't even fully understand what are credit default swaps, derivatives, warrants, options, I think this is some kind of investment achievement for a really simple investor like me. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time with me here. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day and always fight for your happiness!